everyone.
Morning.
He's concentrating on the traffic because it's really bad and tight, and construction and 18-wheelers and all the stupid stuff that goes along with I-10 between Lafayette and Baton Rouge on a good or on a bad day. The weather is so pretty today. It is May 15th, and typically at this time of the year it is excessively hot, excessively humid. You know, Louisiana, you don't really want to be outside because it's just so hot. So we didn't make any plans to go camping the entire month of May. Of course, the last 2 weekends have been just amazingly glorious. I think it is 70 degrees right now. It's unheard of. I can't even believe this weather. So because it's so pretty today, we decided that we were going to get out. We weren't going to stay home and do chores or run errands or all that other boring life stuff. There is a Rails to Trails bike path, hiking path in St. Tammany Parish, which is closer to New Orleans. So it's between Baton Rouge and New Orleans. It's on the New Orleans side of I-10, not I-12. It splits. Anyway, you start at one of the little towns. We are going to put in at a place called Abita Springs. And Abita Springs, the hometown of Britney Spears. Yep. And the hometown of Abita Brewing. So we're going to put in there, and we're going to ride our bikes down to Mandeville, which is it the north shore of Lake Pontchartrain? The north shore of Lake Pontchartrain. And we're going to ride down, probably stop at another brew house called, what's it called? Like what you said? Old Rails Brewpub or something like that. We're going to
update that if it's wrong.
Yeah, we'll say the name if we stop there. And we're going to stop there, have some beer there, go down to Mandeville, maybe go a little bit further south. There's a wildlife preserve a little bit further south on the bike path, and then come back. Estimated mileage is supposed to be about 20 miles, so it's not anything excessive. And we're going to end the day at Abita Brewing, have some food, have some beer. They actually have seltzers there. They brew seltzers. I've had it in the can, but I'm going to have it on tap today. So I guess we're about an hour and a half from getting to our destination if the traffic holds up across the Mississippi Bridge in Baton Rouge. Fingers crossed, no whammies on the Atchafalaya Bridge. It's always a gamble. You never know what you're going to get. I think that truck, oh my God, that truck almost came in our lane. I tell you what, it's like Death Race 2000 every single time we get on this bridge. I despise it. Well, when we get to Abita Springs, we will update you and show you what the trailhead looks like when we get there. Bye.
Oh, with the tiger. Little tiger. Right here at Coop Drive, and we wanted to come down, and right about here is where that other brewery was.
But they have construction over I-12.
Yeah, so this is close.
So we can't cross.
I mean, you could cross, you could get on the main road, but look how far before you could get back on the trail.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that.
Okay, where are we?
We are in Abita Springs. We are at the Abita Springs Tap House. And I guess there's going to be a little band. We're getting ready to order some beers and some food, some water.
Some water for sure. A couple good beers, and then we're going to go across the interstate.
What'd you get?
What did I get? I have the Hop On.
Okay, so I got the hard lemonade, but I'm pouring it over ice because I don't like it when things get hot.
The Hop On is a full-bodied, juicy pale, packed with Cascade Citra, and Yucca Knob hops.
You don't even know what you're saying.
I'm telling you, I'm reading right there. What you mean I don't know what I'm saying?
Mine says legit hard lemonade is made with pure artisanal water, real fruit juice, and Louisiana cane sugar. Thank you, Ricky Gonsolin.
That's my mayor.
No, he's the mayor pro tem.
That's my mayor.
Bro, that's good.
Yeah, I do taste it.
Taste it. It's really good. That's like some lemonade.
You might be having to get some of there.
Maybe. I know.
Wait a minute.
What?
That is good.
I know.
Lots of choices.
Spring IPA, that's our seasonal right now. Real citrusy, really good.
Our friend at High Point Overland, Kevin, he gave us this little 3-pack battery charger for our GoPro, so you can charge 3 batteries at once, and that way you never run out of battery. So that's pretty cool. This is the first time I use it. Our son Ethan has one, and it works really great. It's nice to just have a battery already charged and waiting for you. With this one, you have to plug it in and charge it while it's in the GoPro. So now we have this little external charger thing. We don't have to worry about that. Thank you, Kevin. Since we rode so many miles today, we are not doing keto. We're doing fries and onion rings.
Rescue me. Should I go down?
We biked an additional 12 miles.
Yeah. Should have did 10.
Should have stopped. We were feeling very ambitious. When we were going, the wind was at our face, so we felt that it would be at our back on the way back. But as normal,
The wind had other plans.
things don't work for us. Turned around, wind was at our face again. I don't know how that happens. It happens all the time in Louisiana. Today's been a pretty fantastic day. We are now at Old Rail Brewing Company. We're gonna try to get a table outside because the weather's just too nice to sit inside. Probably get something to eat. Even though we already ate, we're hungry again.
Starving.
Well,
Burger and a couple beers.
yeah. Definitely want to get some more water because we're really thirsty.
Hydration green.
We'll show you the brew menu in just a minute whenever we see it. Gotta wait about 30 minutes. They have about like 5 tables out here, and they got kids in dance recital uniforms. I don't even know. So we'll show you in a little bit. It smells like flowers. It's gonna taste like honeysuckle.
That bad, huh?
Exactly as I predicted. Not a fan of those fancy beers. I'll take my Bud Light.
That's pretty good. That's very good.
You don't think it tastes like honeysuckle?
Not really. It's got like a little hint of flowers. It's not quite as good as the Abita one I had earlier, but for an IPA, it's very, very good.
This is an Ancho Rita. It's got tequila, it's got Ancho Reyes, which I'm not really sure what that is. I'm going to assume some kind of hot pepper sauce, lime juice, smoked chili bitters, pink salt, and a tajin rim. So, I'm gonna try this out. Check it out. It smells good. That's pretty good. It's pretty sour. It's not smoky at all though. It's salty from the rim and really sour, but I like that, so it's okay.
I'm gonna try Paula's drink.
Should have made you try it first since you're the taste tester. Make sure it's not poisonous. What does it remind you of?
I don't know, but I like the salt on the rim is kind of smoky.
It's just pink salt, Himalayan salt.
I don't know.
The tajin is what you're tasting. That's that spicy, smoky stuff that you put on fruit
That's
and put in micheladas.
good. I like it. I could drink it. But
You got your drink. You got your flower drink.
I go back to this. That's good.
You know what it reminds me of?
No, I don't.
Limeade from Sonic.
Oh,
That's what it tastes like.
I don't think the bartender would like that.
Probably not, but it's the lime. Because they put fresh lime juice in the Sonic drinks too.
Beef belly burnt ends.
So we have this bike rack that we found in the trash. We were out walking the dog one day and this was out at someone's trash. So we hurried up, we went home, we got my little bitty Honda Fit and put that thing up in there. It was in perfect condition. The only thing that's missing, this part right here, is missing a strap, which we could easily get another one. I don't even know why people throw away things that they throw away, but you know what? I was pretty pumped about that. Now I got me a bike rack for free. So today was a pretty good day. I feel like Julian from Trailer Park Boys having this highball glass. It's just got water in it. We're gonna head back home via the causeway across the Pontchartrain, Lake Pontchartrain, and we're gonna come up the south side of Louisiana rather than go back on I-10 because traffic was just terrible. If you are into bike riding and would enjoy rails to trails, you should definitely stay at Fontainebleau State Park. They have camping there, you know, RV camping, whatever kind of camping, but the rails to trails actually runs through the state park, so that's really nice. We didn't get a chance to go through it. It said it was for campers only, so we didn't want to break the rules or whatever. Mandeville is different from Abita Springs. The vibe is much different. What'd you think?
Yeah, Abita's way laid back.
Mandeville's definitely old money.
Yep.
It's a suburb of New Orleans, so it's definitely where people with money had moved to get out of the city. Katrina, the city, the crime,
Yep.
school districts, flooding,
Etc.
all of the above.
Yeah, Abita Springs is way more laid back, little funky, and this place is a little more
Upscale.
Upscale for sure.
Felt kind of underdressed to be at the Brewpub, but whatever.
Food was okay. Beer was pretty good here. Not as good as Abita Springs though.
So we hope you enjoyed our little bike riding rails to trail adventure. We hope that you join us next time when we pop a top
On adventure.
on adventure. Bye. Holy $5.
It's cheaper to go through Texas.
$5
Cheaper to go through Texas.
on the causeway.
It's gonna be $9 for us. Watch.
We have to pay again?
No, it's gonna be watch.
No, it's 2 axles. So this is Lake Pontchartrain, looking all big, like a sea. They got white caps because the wind is blowing super hard today. That's the city of New Orleans in the distance. It's kind of hard to tell. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. All right, go on. Get.